Hi everyone, CSCN just dropped a huge update yesterday and I'll try to explore this with you guys. So if you go to the homepage, you'll see there's something like CSCN skills, preset and more. If I click on that, this is basically the changelog. So CSCN released CSCN CLI version 4 and what it have, we'll definitely explore that. But before that, I'll try to explore skills. So we got the skill now. CSCN got the skill now. So what you can do, you can basically try to get anything that built by CSCN or has CSCN registry. So like if I go to UI layouts and if I go to blocks, let's say you want hero blocks. So it's part of CSCN registry. So what you can write or prompt is basically get a hero blocks from UI layouts, and you can also name the blocks. It will only try to get these specific blocks. So we'll try to export the CSCN CLI first. So we'll try CSCN init first. Try to create a project. We'll try to run npx CSCN latest and then init. Okay. Proceed. And we have to select the template. Now I think Astro and Laravel also available, including React Router. So we'll select byte, monolith no. Radix, I will use base, and then my favorite will be this one because I love huge icons. CSCN, and if I install it, barn install. Okay, and now barn one day. Okay, there's some issue that I find. Okay, so this is something like not used. So I will just remove all this, this one, and now let's run it. So let's first install it. Okay, install. Okay, cool. Now let's run it one day. Okay. So if you click, you can. It also have dark and light mode, which is cool. And I'll try to get some preset now. If I go to the create, then we now have preset. So the default preset we already seen, but what you can do, you can create custom preset. So let's say I want remix icon, okay, and radius I want none, because I'm using the same in pro.ui layouts. Did you see? There's no radius, like border radius. Cool. So after that, menu accent bold, cool. And if I copy this, run npx CSCN init and paste the preset. Okay, so the thing is, okay, I just have to clear it and move to or go to this folder. Cool. And now I'll copy it, and so now it will update or override component.json file. Okay, would you like to reinstall? Yep. Button. Okay, so it reinstall the following component buttons. Cool. And overwritten. That's great. And so let's say we want to copy a blocks, which is this one, and then try to import it here. Okay, so if we do it, it's adding. Cool. So we'll try to check what are the files that it has been changed. Okay, we can run dry run. Okay, so these the override files you can see, and this is the dependency that he added. That's cool. So I think there's tons of things, and you can also run view to view the file content. So we'll try to do that as well. So just view. You can check the code as well using the CLI. Okay, and also we can do something like diff to check the difference. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, this one. So it's moved to UI timeline, hooks, use media. So I think this solid. I mean, there's no boundary right now, and the wonderful thing that launch is basically the skill. So you can just add the skill if you're using Claude or Codex, whatever you are. Most probably you are using Claude, but the Codex update is crazy. So you can also use it. So yeah, I already told you, if you are using skill, then you can easily guide him to select or pick component or blocks from any library within CSCN registry. So yeah, it's up to you. And the changelog you can see more. Okay, I think that's it, guys. It's not just a simple update. You can do tons of things using this update, using skills. Yeah, like using CLI, the new CLI version 4. So yeah, cool. See you in the next video. Bye bye.